Hey everyone, thinking about robo-advisors? Let's quickly review Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolio. Schwab Intelligent Portfolio is a robo-advisor that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's low cost and easy to use. Here are the key features. Low fees. It has a very competitive expense ratios. Diversification, automated rebalancing, and of course, easy to use. It has simple interface and straightforward setup. Pros, low cost, easy to use, reputable firm. Cons, limited customization options compared to some competitors. This is ideal for beginner investors or those who want simple, hands-off approach to investing. Schwab Intelligent Portfolio is a solid choice for ease of use and low fees. Check it out if you're looking for a simple, automated investing solution.